The GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75% wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, Galaxy Black is a standout in both design and performance, catering to gamers and professionals seeking a unique and high-quality typing experience. Hammer and wrench design and build. Aesthetic: the keyboard features a sci-fi inspired design with a matte black aluminum alloy chassis, giving it a futuristic and robust appearance. Layout: it adopts a 75% layout with 79 keys and includes a programmable control knob for enhanced functionality. Dimensions and weight: measuring 415 x 178.6 x 57.6 mm and weighing 1.18 kg, it offers a compact form factor without compromising on build quality. Mercury K1 Pro, Galaxy Black, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals of mbupu8 new 5 PDS 9 HJZTYLKR9I underscore 9 SKG8 ZQLG1 NQJG19 RTFG4 DVTMTL and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Wrench performance and features. Switches: equipped with custom GravaStar X Kyle Speedy Mint linear switches, featuring a 45 GF actuation force and 1.2 mm pre-travel, providing smooth and responsive keystrokes ideal for gaming and typing. Mounting: utilizes a gasket-mounted FR4 plate with 5 layers of sound dampening foam, ensuring a quiet and comfortable typing experience. Connectivity: offers tri-mode connectivity Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired, allowing seamless switching between devices. Battery: powered by an 8,000 mAh battery, it supports extended usage without frequent charging. Mercury K1 Pro Special Edition, Cyberpunk, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Cyberpunk Source Loaded equals AFMB0 0YT-C5LPQES4SJ-Y44TBBC and QPH0ZTQIG7ZJKAUDXNP47LB and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro Review, Tom's Guide https www.tomsguide.com Computing Peripherals GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro Review UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Artist Palette RGB Lighting. Dual lighting systems, features dual independent RGB lighting systems with 16.8 million color options. The south-facing key backlights provide 13 unique lighting modes, customizable via companion software. GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75% wireless mechanical gaming. https www.amazon.com GravaStar K1 wireless mechanical keyboard DPB0DS63DJBT UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Brain additional features. Keycaps: comes with pudding PBT keycaps featuring dye sublimation key art, enhancing durability and aesthetics. Programmable knob: the control knob can be customized for various functions, adding versatility to your workflow. Compatibility: compatible with both Windows and Mac OS operating systems. Mercury K1 Pro, Galaxy Black, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals of mbupu8 new 5 PDS 9 HJZTYLKR9I underscore 9 SKG8 ZQLG1 NQJG198 RTFG4 DVTMTL and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Galaxy Black GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75% wireless mechanical. https www.blink.com.kw Products GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals AFMBOM 8 RTRJs Logo FPTDAHF5 HTG4X GKDPQ4E461 GUHO Litnex 1 AFQA and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Speech balloon user feedback. Users have praised the Mercury K1 Pro for its unique design, build quality, and typing experience. One user mentioned, "Genuinely the best keyboard I've had. Sits perfectly even when it's on other wires from my setup. Very responsive and satisfying." Mercury K1 Pro, Galaxy Black, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals AFMBOOK MKZani underscore 7QPL6 TVJZZ7BVYYYQIO7NFKXVLDQ6JUFLKHWU underscore EK and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Package. What's in the box? Keyboard, GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro, Galaxy Black. Cable, USB-C charging cable. Accessories, keycap and switch puller, user manual Galaxy Black GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75% wireless mechanical. https www.blink.com.kw Products GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro 75 Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals AFMBOM 8 RTRJs Logo FPTDAHF5 HTG4X GKDPQ4E461 GUHO Litnex 1 AFQA and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Mercury K1 Pro Special Edition, Cyberpunk, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Cyberpunk Source Loaded equals AFMBO0YTFSC5LPQES4SJY440TBBCNQPH0ZTQIG7ZJKAUDXNP47LB and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. Money bag pricing and availability. Price, currently available for $161.95 regular price $179.95 on GravaStar's official website. Availability, also available on major retailers like Amazon and Newegg. Mercury K1 Pro, Galaxy Black, GravaStar https www.gravastar.com Products Mercury K1 Pro Galaxy Black Source Loaded equals FMBOP8 New 5 PDS 9 HJZTYLKR9I underscore 9 SKG8 ZQLG1 NQJG198 RTFG4 DVTMTL and UTM underscore source equals chat.com. The GravaStar Mercury K1 Pro combines a distinctive design with high-performance features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a keyboard that stands out both visually and functionally.